Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through the process of extracting, cleaning and replacing the audio in a video using Python. I've already prepared the script, so I'll explain what each one does and how you can use them in your own projects. As a quick note, the GitHub repository is already in the description, so first off let me give you a quick overview of what we'll cover. The goal is to take a video file, extract the audio, apply noise reduction, and then replace the original audio with the cleanup version. The tools we'll use include Python, FFmpeg, and a noise reduction library called noisereduce. So let's dive into the individual steps. So here's the first script, the audio component. This script extracts the audio from an MP4 video file and saves it as a .web file. All you need to do is run this script, pass the video file as input, and it will create the audio file for you. Here is how you can use it, and let's go into the next video. Next up is the noise cancelling script. This one processes the extracted audio and applies noise cancellation using the noise reduce library. It takes in the audio file, applies the noise reduction, and saves a cleanup version. Finally, the replace audio script is used to take the clean audio and replace the original audio in the video. This ensures the video will now have better sound quality. It's pretty straightforward. Passing the video, the clean audio, and the script does the rest. So, to quickly recap, we extract the audio from a video file, apply noise cancellation to clean it up, then replace the original audio in the video. It's that simple. All the scripts I use are available on my GitHub, so feel free to download them and try it out yourself. So if you found this useful, well, you'll help me out if you like, subscribe and comment, and if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.